What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "not everyone can message this account" error message you are getting on Instagram. This issue can be quite frustrating if you're trying to connect with someone whose updates you enjoy or need to contact for business purposes. This problem typically arises because the account you're trying to message has its privacy settings configured to be private. They've opted to only allow their followers to send them message requests. This is a privacy feature Instagram has introduced to give users more control over who can contact them. If you encounter this message, your first step should be to request the account owner to follow you back. This allows you to bypass the restriction and send messages freely. If they have already followed you and you're still seeing the message, it might be due to a version incompatibility between your Instagram app and theirs. To resolve this, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Here's how you can update your app. Open the App Store on your iOS device or Google Play Store on an Android device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Type Instagram in the search bar and go to the Apps page. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap on it to start the update process. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, the app on your device might be corrupted. In this case, a fresh installation is recommended. To uninstall Instagram, press and hold the app icon until an options menu pops up. Then select Uninstall or Delete App. After the app is uninstalled, go back to the App Store, search for Instagram and download it again. A fresh install will clear out any corrupted data which could be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "not everyone can message this account" error on Instagram, allowing you to send messages to any account provided you follow each other. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.